From real stories to technologies, today's agenda has been packed with great insights. Let's quickly summarize some of them. So, what is helping manufacturers operate more efficiently and make more informed business decisions? Modernizing their factory floor operations by leveraging the data available from operations and the enterprise. However, the transformation at scale can only happen when the workforce is empowered. Closing the talent gap is essential for making new technology work in large organizations. Forward thinking organizations are leaning on data analytics and AI from Google Cloud to drive better business outcomes. This also happens with the help of an entire ecosystem, and you've heard from some of them today. We work closely with partners to make things as seamless as possible for our customers. Manufacturers choose Google Cloud on the shop floor typically for a combination of 5 reasons. Firstly, accelerated data transformation. We provide industry leading machine connectivity through more than 250 ready to use machine level protocols. Our edge workloads, such as containerized applications, facilitate high speed and low cost data ingestion. Secondly, quick end to end setup through automated deployment of a ready to use setup on Google Cloud and an auto configured edge stack, along with easy configuration via UI. Thirdly, accessible data analytics, insights, and easy to use AI, putting the best of Google's data analytics and artificial intelligence to work in an industrial environment. Fourthly, advancing the shop floor workforce transformation. Configuring the cloud data engine and machine learning models doesn't require data science engineers or additional integration code through using predefined rules, models, and intuitive UI. And last but not least, we provide an integrated digital twin engine for asset hierarchy and models, integration with our supply chain twin, and optional integration with third-party digital twin providers. Whether you're just getting started or trying to refine your intelligent manufacturing goals, starting has never been easier. Reach out and we'll welcome you on this journey. Thank you so much for watching.